thought I was done with the notes, but apparently not. There's more notes. So if this is notes part 2 for the geometry review on polygons and areas and perimeters and scales and everything. If a polygon's sides are quadrupled, what is the effect on its perimeter? Quadrupled. Quadrupled. Whatever, how you spell it. You know, that's times 4. What would be the area? It would be times 4 squared, or 16. But this one, it's linear. If the sides are quadrupled, the perimeter is quadrupled, and the area is multiplied by 16. What is right there. What is the effect on the polygon's area? Well, quadrupled is times 4, but I've got to square it. So it is times 16. 16 tupled? I don't know how to say that. Whatever. Describe the effect on the area of a circle when the radius is doubled. Well, it's pi 2r squared equals 4 pi r squared. So it is quadrupled. Increased 4 times. How come they say 4 times? They're not quadrupled. The scale factor of 2 similar polygons is 2 to 3, so the small one goes on top. Small to big. If the perimeter of the larger polygon is 150, what is the perimeter of the smaller? Well, 3x equals 300. X equals 100. 300 divided by 3, that's A. If a circle's circumference is 12 pi and the area is multiplied 5, wait a minute. If the circle's circumference is 12 pi and the area is multiplied by 5, what did you multiply the radius by? Okay, well, let me figure this one out. The circumference is 12 pi, so that's 2 pi r. So that would mean 2r equals 12, r equals 6. So the original radius is 6. And then the area is multiplied by 5. What did you multiply the radius by? Well, so the original area would be pi times 6 squared, which would be 36 pi. And if I multiply that by 5, 5 pi times 36, I would have multiplied the radius by the square root of 5. So this would be 6. If the radius was 6 square root of 5, I'd get pi. The original radius would have been 36 pi, and the new radius would be 6 square root of 5 squared times pi, which is 36 times 5 pi. So I multiplied it by square root of 5. So the area multiplied by 5, the radius, the linear measure, would be square root of 5. If the area of a polygon is multiplied by 1/3, what were the sides multiplied by? Well, it would be the square root of 1/3, which is 1 over square root of 3. And if I want to rationalize that denominator, it is square root of 3 over 3. However you want to write that. Okay, that's it for the notes. Let me double check. What's the next page I have? Is this more notes? Is that more notes? There's the first notes. I did the second notes. Okay, I got to look at this one. Is this more notes? No, that's not more notes. Okay, I'm done with the notes.